Our 4-step system consists of a sulfate-free shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in heat protectant, and a serum. Hi QVC, we're so glad to be here today to show you our 4-step smoothing system. We are Rucker Roots. I am one of the founders, I own, and this is my sister Ellen. This is our professional hairstylist Chaz, who will be showing you the tutorial on how to use the 4-step system on our beautiful model Taylor.
We're going to start with step 1, our sulfate-free shampoo. We're going to take Taylor's hair from a curly state to a nice blown out flat iron state in a breeze. Step 1, our smoothing sulfate-free shampoo. Normally we recommend shampooing the hair at least 2 to 3 times using a nice bit of shampoo for your first wash to get all the old product out of the hair. Now after you do your second wash of shampoo, you're gonna go straight into the detangling conditioner. This is gonna help you make sure that the hair is nice and detangled before you even begin the process of blowing out the hair. This detangling conditioner works magic. It has tons of shea butter, argan oil. It has ginger, turnip, and carrot root oils in it as well. After using the detangling conditioner, you're gonna finish up with a very important step. You always wanna finish with a cool rinse because you want to lock in the shine and you want to seal the cuticle before you start any blow drying process. Now Chaz is just going to towel dry her hair just slightly and making sure not to ruffle her curls too much. Now she's ready to move on to step 3, the leave-in heat protectant.
The heat protectant is a water-based product, so it's really good to do it when your hair is still wet or damp. Now it's time for our 4th step in the 4-step system, which is our silkening serum, which we also like to call our liquid gold. It is the bomb. It is one of our best-selling products. Everybody loves our serums.
Before I put it in her hair, I will use either a dime size or 2 dime sizes, depending on the amount of hair she has. You want it to still be a nice lightweight look. It's very concentrated, so you'll get it all through.
Now she's going to section off the hair into 4 sections. And the wonderful thing about that serum is that you can use it on your scalp, you can use it on the hair shaft, you can use it all over your hair, especially if you have dry ends. It's really good and beneficial for your ends. Now our professional stylist Chaz will go through her hair and she'll show you how we use the flat iron to do her hair, whether it's curly or straight. You can actually go through the hair and do one pass and you get a nice straight silked out look. And you can see the volume of Taylor's hair. It's beautiful.
All right, this side I'm going to do a curly style, and then this side I'm gonna do a sleek look.
One thing we really pride ourselves on is that this product works on all different hair types and textures. And I can't tell you how many women, they say, you saved me from chopping all my hair off because I was about to give up. The combination of the vegetable oils really help with sealing in the moisture so that, you know, your cuticle can become nice and smooth and straight. We wanted to demonstrate the 4-step system today and show you how versatile this product is. We did one side with bone straight hair and you can see how lightweight it is. And then on the other side we have nice curls. And once again, you can see how lightweight it is. And of course, I have beach waves today and our own has soft curls. So this product is really versatile and for all different hair types and textures. And we just know that you'll love Rucker Roots 4-step smoothing system.